Doc Mountain here, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go live on Migo Live. So what you need to do is you simply open Migo Live, and when you happen to log on, you will actually see a couple of people are live. So what will be active is a home tab. So what you do is you click the tab which is in the bottom right corner to check your details. So that's you. If you want to create your room, you simply click my room. Now if you want to go live, you simply click on the tab which is amid of the 5 tabs sitting at the bottom there, the home tab, the moment tab, and then there's that one with the video icon. Click there, and then from here is where you're going to choose whether you want to go live as a video streamer or an audio streamer. So you click on live video, and then you'll be brought here. So what you need to do here is you simply punch in the title on top there. That's why you have to punch in the title. What is it that you'll be doing? Okay, so you're gonna say come with Migo. Come with Migo. Then what is it this banding together all about? Is it all about making friends? You click where it says friends, there's an arrow there. Are you singing? So you actually be shown the options from where you can actually pick one. Is it about finding love? Is it just chatting, or rocking, or singing, or family? So you can just go by friends, you leave it there, come on Mingo. Then you can actually beautify your face by clicking on that icon which is on the right side. And then you can actually change the orientation of the camera by clicking here. Okay, so you see what they're saying is the TV, you click it, the orientation changes. You can also click where it says remind fans. Then let's check what is there on the. Okay, so you can actually make use of any of these covers. You can go by this one, and that'll be your cover, and then click go live.